Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now, one sure short way of generating or making wealth is by choosing the right stocks, and perhaps the best stock picker of all time is Berkshire Hathaway chairman Warren Buffett. Now, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. A former student of Benjamin Graham, Buffett is noted as a legendary value investor, though he is also believed to incorporate an emphasis on management quality and companies' growth prospects. Buffett would most likely emphasize on those stocks that are trading at reasonable prices, making the job simpler for investors in picking stocks conforming to values of Buffett. The research that we are referring to has taken data from MarketSmith powered by William O'Neill. The following stocks were filtered with the highest market score and RS rating. Market Score is a proprietary filter created by MarketSmith that highlights great earnings potential and strong price performance of a stock. The MarketSmith Master Score formula incorporates earnings growth, relative price strength, price volume characteristics, industry group relative strength, and other factors, everything Buffett swears by. On the other hand, RS rating is a technical tool that is the most popular way to see the market's top performers. The relative strength rating is the result of calculating a stock price's percentage change over the last 12 months. In this video, we'll be talking about 3 small cap stocks based on Berkshire Hathaway chairman Warren Buffett's investment philosophy based on these 2 parameters. Now friends, if you have not already become a member on Profit and Equities, please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the first company on the list is Kaushik Limited, which is available at Rs 2161.00 and the face value for it is 10. The MS score here is 74, whereas the RS score is 85. The symbol for it is PAUSHAK Ltd. Now, Kaushik Limited is an India-based pharmaceutical company which is engaged in the development and manufacturing of phosgene-based specialty chemicals and intermediates. The company has a market capitalization of 666.04 crores, which means that this company is a tiny small cap. The EPS of 120.21 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 17.98, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 43.93. The price to book ratio of 5.89, however, is on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.14%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is a very strong number and stands at 66.71%. Also, none of the promoters holding for this company is blessed. The company has a negligible debt of 2.38 crores on its books, whereas the 52-week high and low for the stock stands at 3,216.25 and 1,399.90 respectively. Now, the next stock on the list is Cana Constructions Limited, which is available at Rs 240.05 and the face value for it is 2. The MS score here is 69, whereas the RS score is 81. The symbol for it is KNRCON. Now, Cana Constructions Limited is an India-based holding company. The company is a multi-domain infrastructure project development company. The company undertakes engineering, procurement and construction contracts as well as build, operate, transfer projects across various sectors such as construction and maintenance of roads, highways, flyovers and bridges. Its range of verticals also includes irrigation projects, water management, agriculture and trading business. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company had been on a downtrend for about half of the year and has been consolidating since. The market cap of the company is 3,375.52 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 17.84 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 13.46, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 25.04. The price to book ratio of 3.07 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 0.17%, whereas the promoter holding is a decent number and stands at 55.17%. Also, none of the promoters holding is blessed. The 52-week high and low stands at 330 and 165 respectively. Now, the final stock on the list is Shriram Industries, which is available at Rs 144.35 and the face value for it is 10. The MS score here is 62, whereas the RS score is 71. The symbol for it is SHREYANIND. Now, Shriram Industries Limited is engaged in the manufacturing of writing and printing paper. The company also has interests in textiles, and the company's plants include Shriram's paper and Shriram papers. As is evident from the one-year chart, this company has not really done much and has largely been consolidating at the same levels that it started the year at. The market cap of the company is 199.56 crores, which means that this company is a tiny small cap. The EPS of 29.68 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 4.86, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 11.34. The price to book ratio of 1.29 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.25%, whereas the promoter holding is just below average at 47.26%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is placed. The company has a total debt of 63.0146 crores, whereas the 52-week high and low stands at 202.70 and 114.40 respectively. Now friends, this is not our own research. We'll be providing a link to the source for this video in the description section below. Please go through the link to build more conviction around your investment decision. Also friends, please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.